Caitlin Kelsey here. I am the owner of Nelumbo Shamanic Healing. And these are our Reiki Infused crystal healing bath bombs. Inside each bath bomb is a bath bomb that is designed for sensitive people. Sensitive to energy, sensitive skin, sensitive emotions. Each bath bomb is made with clean ingredients. I used Epsom salts, sea salts, cornstarch, baking soda, and coconut oil as my base for the bath bomb. Within each bath bomb, they are scented with essential oils. The essential oils are emulsified into the coconut oil before being mixed with the dry ingredients to make the base. Each bath bomb has selected herbs and flowers with the intended purpose to help with assisting the theme or the design of each bath bomb. The bath bomb I have here is Unwind Unction. Unwind Unction comes with a black obsidian crystal that has been infused with the energy to help you transmute dark, dense, heavy, painful energies of anger, sadness, fear, and pain, and to help you find resolve and release of what is weighing you down and transmuting that energy into energies of peace, love, light, joy, acceptance, happiness. Inside each bath bomb, there's the crystal that I have infused with Reiki energy. Each bath bomb at Nelumbo Shamanic Healing now comes with a organza bag. My background in architecture made me feel responsible for the herbs that are going down the piping. So each bath bomb comes with an organza bag. Place the bath bomb inside the organza bag. Tie it up. If you want to say affirmations while you're doing these knots, that's a great additive to your spiritual practice. And then what I like to do is hold it in my hands and speak my intentions over the bath bomb. This is an additional layer of energy on top of what is already in that crystal. And then I place it in the bath. Now, if you have collected a bunch of Nelumbo Shamanic Healing bath bombs, or you have your own tumbled rock collection, this is an additional step that you can take to amplify your bathing experience. I have a little bowl here that I use to collect all of my crystals that I've used in bath bombs. I have a black obsidian, I have amethyst, I have green aventurine, I have rose quartz, and I have clear quartz. These are all just tumbled stones from research and development. And these are part of my personal collection. You may have tumbled stones in your own personal collection. Please be mindful in the crystals that you're using. These are minerals from the earth, and they will react with other things. What I like to do is I place crystals after infusing my own intentions with each bath strategically around me in the bath. So I will place amethyst up by my head, clear quartz down by my feet, black obsidian wherever I feel called to placing these crystals. There is no one-step guide. You must follow your own intuition, because whatever your intuition is telling you that you need is what you need in that moment. There's obviously the water in the bath, and like most self-care baths, I have candles lit around me, and I will be turning the lights off I like to use a face cloth, and I place it over my face, mostly because your face gets really sweaty when you're in a bath, and that's really uncomfortable for me. So I like to have a face cloth. And make sure you have a good bottle of water. If you're going to be taking a spiritual bath, you're going to be sweating a lot in that bath, and you're going to be purging out a lot. So you need to make sure you stay hydrated and you replace the water that you've lost. You can drink a full water bottle. This one's 24 ounces while you're in the bath, and then drink another one when you get out of the bath. It's really going to help you flush your system. Now, what to do when you are in the bath water itself. So, you can do a multitude of things. This is your spiritual practice. The bath bombs are a tool. So you can relax in the bath in quietness. If you wish to meditate quietly, listening to your own intuitive thoughts, feelings. There's meditation music of all varieties. If you are definitely going into the level of removing entity attachments, going into Hertz music will help with that. Follow how you're guided. And if you are doing inner mind, heart, and soul work, going into those specific meditations, guided meditations, or hypnotherapy sessions that you can find for free on YouTube will greatly assist you. Suzanne Robichaud as a hypnotherapist on YouTube. Her videos have helped me tremendously over the years. She is a registered hypnotherapist based out of North Vancouver. Joy Michael from Healing and Beyond. His Reiki is amazing. And Divine White Light, their Reiki is also amazing. So check them out. They are great tools to add into your toolbox of your spiritual journey. And I really hope you include Nelumbo Shamanic Healing's bath bombs in your spiritual journey as well. They're a great tool, and they're here to assist you. Have a great day.